crochet the first row of arches. Yarn over and insert the hook under the arch of the previous row. Catch the yarn and work 1 double crochet stitch. Work 2 more double crochet stitches inserting the hook under the same arch. Chain 2 stitches. Work 1 double crochet stitch inserting the hook under the same arch. Add 2 more double crochet stitches inserting the hook under the same arch. Work 1 single crochet stitch under the next arch of the previous row.